In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jasper AI paragraph generator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a polished paragraph using Jasper's home workspace and its Ask Jasper feature. Start by opening Jasper and making sure you're on the home screen. If you see a left-hand sidebar, click Home there to land on your main dashboard. This puts you in the right place to access the tools and keeps everything organized so you're not clicking around different sections. From the home view, look for the option labeled Ask Jasper Anything. This is the conversational box where you give Jasper instructions in plain language. Think of it as a prompt field that can understand context, tone, and intent, and it's a great gateway to creating focused paragraphs quickly. Click into the prompt field and begin typing what you want. Clear, specific instructions help Jasper deliver stronger results. If you have a target audience, a tone, or a purpose in mind, include that right in the same sentence. You don't need to overcomplicate it. 1 or 2 lines that spell out topic and tone is usually enough. For this walkthrough, type, write a paragraph about the benefits of first-time home buying. This is a straightforward request, but it still gives Jasper enough direction to focus the content. If you want a certain style, such as friendly, professional, or concise, you can add that at the end of the same prompt to guide the voice. When you're ready, click Send or simply press Enter. Jasper will process your prompt and return a paragraph. Give it a moment, it typically drafts quickly, and what appears should read like a cohesive, ready-to-use paragraph centered on your prompt. Once the draft appears, choose the option to use it, then click Generate Now. This confirms your selection and finalizes the paragraph. Think of Use as selecting the output you want to move forward with, and Generate Now as committing it so you can place it into your workflow or document. After it generates, read it through for accuracy and clarity. If there's a point you want emphasized, say long-term equity or access to first-time buyer programs, adjust your original prompt text to include that detail and send it again. Small prompt tweaks often produce exactly the nuance you need while keeping the process fast. That's all there is to it. From home, open, ask Jasper, type a clear prompt, send it, then use and generate the paragraph you like. With a little practice, you'll produce strong, on-topic paragraphs in seconds.